Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apple has just unveiled iOS 26, and it's packed with features that are gonna change the way we use our iPhones. Whether you're a longtime iOS user or just curious about what's new, this update brings some serious upgrades. And today we're diving into everything you need to know. Let's break it down. First up, the design. iOS 26 introduces a more refined, dynamic interface. The animations are smoother, and the overall system feels snappier. Apple has made the system even more customizable, with new icon styles, dynamic themes, and a revamped control center that's now fully customizable. Yes, fully customizable. You can now drag, drop, and rearrange controls, even third-party widgets right inside the control center. It finally feels like it belongs to you. Widgets have gotten a major boost in iOS 26. Apple calls it Smart Widgets 2.0. They're now context-aware and interactive. For example, your weather widget might expand during a storm, or your calendar will show a full-day view when your schedule's packed. You can even scroll within widgets now, something Android users have enjoyed for years. Better late than never, right? Apple is stepping into the AI game with a smarter, more helpful Siri. In iOS 26, Siri is faster, understands more natural language, and can now perform multi-step tasks. Say something like, text mom that I'll be late, then set a reminder for 8 p.m. And Siri handles both in one go. Oh, and finally, on-device processing for most requests means better privacy and speed. Privacy just got better. iOS 26 now lets you lock individual apps using Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, so you can finally lock your photos, notes, or messages without third-party apps or workarounds. There's also a new feature called Stealth Mode, where you can hide apps completely from your home screen and app library. They only appear if you search them with Spotlight. Super useful if you're handing your phone to someone else. Apple has brought back live wallpapers, but this time they're more dynamic and battery friendly. They react to weather, time of day, and even your activity. There's even one that changes depending on your music. Yes, a wallpaper that moves to the beat. It's wild. For power users, iOS 26 introduces floating windows for certain apps, similar to picture-in-picture, but now for notes, messages, and Safari. It's not full-on desktop multitasking, but it's a huge improvement, especially on larger devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the rumored iPhone 17 Ultra. The Messages app gets smarter and more fun. Scheduled messages, finally. Voice message transcription. Siri will transcribe voice notes into text. Tap-back reactions, now with emoji of your choice, not just the default 6. And yes, RCS is here, meaning better texting with Android users, higher quality media, read receipts, typing indicators, all that good stuff. Apple claims that iOS 26 is the most efficient iOS yet, with better memory management, background activity control, and adaptive refresh rates. Users on older models like the iPhone 13 and 14 should still see noticeable performance gains and improved battery life. There's also a new Eco mode, perfect for traveling, low battery situations, or extending screen time when you're on the go. And in case you're wondering, iOS 26 supports devices starting from the iPhone XR and newer. So yes, if you've got an iPhone from 2018 or later, you're in luck. iOS 26 isn't just another update, it's a bold step forward for Apple. From smarter AI and tighter privacy to better customization and multitasking, this version of iOS finally feels like it's catching up to modern expectations, and in some areas even surpassing them. If you're excited for iOS 26, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into Apple's latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.